Hi guys, what's up, man? This is boy Dennis here again. Today I'm coming with another video again on how to make money online. As you know, guys, in this channel we talk about making money online. There's nothing special. So I only teach you guys on how to start making money online at your comfort zone at home, you know. So that is it, guys. So without wasting much time, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, you like and share with your friend who wants also to make money. So let's get started. Today I'm coming with a website called gptplanet.com. This is a website that we're gonna use to start generating passive income. And gptplanet.com, you're gonna make money just by watching videos, viewing ads, something like that. So what you have to do once you're in GPT Planet, make sure you register, put your information there, put everything there, then you are good to go. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to a press switch like this. This is a legit website, guys. It has been operating for a while now. So once you are in here, what you have to do is you just go here where it said view ads here. Once you click there, there's a lot of videos. Once you are there, there's a lot of things, as you can see. Just go to each of these and see. First, I'm gonna choose this one. It's called this Clicks. I'm gonna just click there. Once you click here, it's going to pop up here. But as you can see, I've already done that. It said you already visited this advertisement in less than 24 hours. So I'm not gonna cancel. I'm gonna just go and choose another site. Okay, let me see, choose this one. And remember, once you to each of the video that you're gonna watch in less than 5 seconds, you're gonna earn look like here. What I like here, you're gonna earn 0.001, which is 1 point. As you can see, all these 0.001. So imagine if you complete all these, how much are you gonna have? It's up to you. So just choose this one. Let me try this one. So you just go by choosing what video you have to watch. Simple as that. Then your money will gonna ring in your account. There's nothing special or nothing complicated. You just have to view the videos, then you're good to make money. Simple as that. So once you click there, you're gonna wait here where it's loading here. This is where your money is here. Once it loads, just for you see, once it loads, they say click the upside down pictures, which is upside down pictures. Boom, 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 boom. This one here. As you, I'm gonna just click here. Boom. They say thank you for watching. I'm done. And if you go to check to my account here, I've already earned account. Well, here. Boom. This is my account. Boom, already here, 15 years, 0.0015. So I'm good to go. So you can repeat the same process as many as you can. So for more to make more money. This website is legit. They are paying via Payoneer or direct banking or Amazon. So you're gonna choose what you have to get paid for. Then you are good to get your payment. Simple as that. So also, there's another way that you can make money using this website by referring your friend. You just come here with a rent referral. You just take your referral. You just take your you just take your link and share with your friend. Once they register, they start watching your videos, you make money. Simple as that. So this is a website that I have prepared for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm sure it's going to help you, because do repeat as many as you can. And also there's one thing that I forget. You just have to go here. We say anymore here. Once you click here, you say GPT grid, you just click here. They're going to bring you here. So here, once you are here, there's a lot of chance that you can make money by viewing this box. As you can see, I said GPT grid is easy to play. Just click anywhere on the picture and win up to $1 that goes direct into your account balance. This is insane, guys. Each click will open up to a sponsored site that you will have to view for up to 5 seconds. After this time has passed, you will know if you are a winner or not. So let me say I click this. As you can see, there are many sites. So as you can see, I click this, it's going to tell me if I win or not. If you don't, just don't worry, go to the next. Obviously, you're gonna win. Keep on clicking all the boxes until you finish. Then you are good to go. As you can see, your click has been validated, but you were not a winner this time. So I've already win more than multiple times. So I think I don't have chance. But for you, since you are new, just go step by step, click all of these. Obviously, you're gonna find one, you're gonna win. So simple as that, guys. So this is how we make money. You can go and view many websites. There's a lot of things that you can do in here. Make sure you view all of these and they start making all those points, all those money, guys. So simple as that. I hope, guys, you enjoy this video. There's a lot of things that you can see. Go each one of these, make money, guys. Just by watching simple video, completing simple tasks, simple as that, then you're good to go. Thank you so much, guys. This is what I prepared for you. Go by yourself and sign up this website. I'm going to also leave the link in the description below, so you can go and sign up and start making money. Simple as that. There's nothing which is complicated. Everything is simple. That's why I like this website, and it's legit, 100% legit. So go and start making money by yourself. So bye bye. See you in the next video, guys.